and welcome to our Review Beauty channel, the encyclopedia of cosmetic brands. And definitely don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you find this information useful. Today we're talking about the tea tree oil, the essential oil by Finest Nutrition brand. And this is the purifying oil, and they claim it's 100% Australian oil, which means it's of a superb quality. One generous ounce here, and if you're using tea tree oil for cleansing purposes around the house, that's actually the perfect size to go with. As we know, tea tree oil has very powerful antibacterial and antiseptic properties. And in case this is the first time you're using it and you want to use it on your skin, never use it straight. It always has to be diluted in the carrier oil. And the company gives us the instruction as well. It says that we need to apply it topically on the skin. And if we've never used any tea tree oil before, it needs to be diluted with the carrier oil. The carrier oil could be pretty much any oil, such as olive oil or almond oil. And then you also need to be aware that if you have very sensitive or overly dry skin, this product might not be good. So it's very wise, instead of just putting it on your face right away, to do a little patch test. And always make sure that this is for external use only, and you really keep it away from children. This is it. So that's the tea tree oil by Finest Nutrition. Wishing you all the best. See you in the next video.